Zoom Meeting Guide for Seniors. I'm Hewie Poplock. Welcome everyone to today's comprehensive guide on mastering Zoom's menu bar and AI features. This presentation is specifically designed for senior users who want to become more confident and comfortable using Zoom in their meetings, family calls, and social connections. We'll explore every aspect of Zoom's interface in a clear, step-by-step manner, ensuring you leave with the knowledge and confidence to navigate Zoom like a pro. We'll also introduce you to Zoom's exciting AI companion features that can make your meeting experience even more enjoyable and productive. Here's what we'll cover. First, we'll start with understanding Zoom's interface, where you'll learn how the main window is organized and where to find everything you need. Next, we'll get into the menu bar overview, exploring each button and control in detail. Then we'll cover essential controls, including audio, video, chat, and screen sharing features that you'll use most frequently. After that, we'll introduce you to Zoom's AI companion features, which are revolutionary tools that can summarize meetings, help with chat responses, and make your Zoom experience much more smoother. When you join a Zoom meeting, you'll see an intuitive interface. The main window shows participants' video feeds, while the control toolbar at the bottom lets you manage your microphone, camera, chat, screen sharing, and more. The toolbar may hide after a few seconds, but reappears when you move your mouse, depending upon your settings. The participants list and chat panel may appear on the right or in separate windows. Everything is designed to be just a click away, and we'll explore each feature in detail during this presentation. On the bottom toolbar is your command center in Zoom. On the left are the mute, unmute, and start and stop video buttons, the most used for controlling your mic and camera. The security button, a shield icon, which may also be at the top right of your screen, gives hosts a safety controls. A participants button shows who's in the meeting, and while chat opens a panel for messaging individuals or everyone. Share screen lets you present your screen. Record saves the meeting. And reactions allow quick responses like thumbs up, applause, or raising your hand. Managing audio and video is key to a smooth Zoom experience. The microphone button at the bottom left controls your audio. No line means you're unmuted. A red line means you're muted. Stay muted when not speaking to avoid background noise, and use the arrow for settings like testing your mic or switching devices. The camera button works the same way. No line means your video is on. A red line means it's off. The arrow opens options to test your camera, switch between cameras, and adjust settings like brightness and contrast. The participants panel shows everyone in the meeting, their names, and whether they're muted or on video. You can see who's speaking, who's raised a hand when people join or leave. Chat lets you communicate without interrupting the speaker, send messages to everyone, or privately to individuals. Just click chat, type in the box, and press enter. You can also share files with the attachment icon. Keep in mind that the public chat is visible to all, while private messages are only seen by you and the recipient. Screen sharing lets you show photos, documents, or software from your computer. Click Share Screen and choose your whole screen, a specific app, or just part of it. When someone else shares, their content appears in the main window, while participant videos may move aside. Recording is also useful for reviewing later or sharing with absentees. Hosts can start recording with the record button, which captures audio, video, screen sharing, and chat. Recordings are saved either on your computer or in the cloud, depending upon your settings. Zoom gives you several ways to view participants. Speaker's View highlights the active speaker, ideal for presentations. Gallery View shows everyone in a grid, great for social or group meetings. Multi-Speaker View highlights up to 4 people talking at once, while Immersive View places participants in a shared virtual background, like sitting around a table. You can switch views from the View menu in the top toolbar or the options in the top right corner of your meeting window. Zoom's reaction lets you engage without interrupting. The reactions button on the bottom toolbar gives you quick emoji options like thumbs up, clapping, or hearts, which appear briefly over your video. The raise hand feature signals to the host that you would like to speak, especially helpful in large meetings. You can also rename yourself, add virtual backgrounds, or use appearance filters to enhance video quality. Zoom's AI companion acts like a smart assistant to making meetings smoother. It can generate summaries so you don't need detailed notes, suggest clearer chat responses, and provide real-time transcriptions for easier follow along or review. It also learns from your meeting pattern, helpful to prepare by suggesting agenda items and materials based on past discussions. Zoom's AI companion acts like a smart assistant to make meetings smoother. It can generate summaries so you don't need detailed notes, suggest clearer chat responses, and provide real-time transaction for easy follow along or review. It also learns from your meeting patterns, helping you prepare by suggesting agenda items or meetings based on past discussions. Zoom is rolling out new AI that further streamlines meetings. Enhanced transcription aims for more accurate speech to text across accents and languages with clearer and cleaner formatting. Smart meeting insights will suggest better meeting times, surface recurring topics, and offer tips to improve effectiveness. Automated assistants will handle scheduling across participants, send follow-up reminders for action items, and suggest the right people for specific discussions. To stay current, keep Zoom updated, and watch in-app notifications, and subscribe to Zoom's newsletter. Security and privacy are paramount when using Zoom, and the platform provides several features to keep your meeting safe and private. While waiting rooms act as a virtual lobby where participants wait before being admitted to the meeting, giving the host control over who joins and when. This prevents uninvited guests from disrupting your meetings. Meeting passwords provide an additional layer of security, requiring participants to enter a password before joining the meeting. These passwords can be automatically included in meeting invitations or shared separately for added security. Host controls give meeting organizers powerful tools to manage their meetings, including the ability to mute and unmute participants, remove disruptive attendees, lock meetings once everyone has joined, and control who can share their screen or use chat features. Privacy best practices includes being cautious about sharing meeting links publicly, using waiting rooms for sensitive meetings, regularly updating your Zoom application to ensure you have the latest security features, and being mindful of what's visible in your background when your camera is on. Even with good technology, issues can arise in Zoom. For audio, if others can't hear you, check that you're unmuted, the right mic is selected, and try rejoining. If you can't hear others, check your volume, connections, and test your audio settings. For video, make sure your camera isn't blocked or in use by another app or outdated, and restart Zoom if needed. For connection problems like poor quality or drops, check your internet speed, close bandwidth heavy apps, move closer to your router, or use a wired connection. Welcome to our exploration of Zoom's More menu, which contains several additional features which can enhance your meeting experience. When you click on the More button, your Zoom toolbar you will discover a variety of useful tools that we'll walk you through today. First, let's discuss the Transcript feature. This powerful tool automatically creates a written record of everything said during your meeting. Think of it as having a personal secretary taking notes for you. The transcript appears in real time, making it easier to follow along if you've missed something or need to review what was discussed later. This is particularly helpful for seniors who may want to reference important items and information after the meeting ends. Next, we have polls and quizzes, which are interactive features that meeting hosts can use to engage participants. If you're attending a meeting where the host creates a poll, you'll see questions appear on your screen that you can answer with simple clicks. These might ask for your opinion on a topic or test your understanding of presented material. Don't worry if you see one pop up. They're designed to be user-friendly and optional to participate in. The Docs feature allows you to access and collaborate on documents directly with your Zoom meeting. This means you can view, edit, and comment on shared documents without leaving the meeting window. It's like having a digital workspace where everyone can contribute to the same document simultaneously, making collaboration seamless and efficient. Whiteboard is Zoom's digital drawing and brainstorming tool. Imagine having a large whiteboard where multiple people can write, draw, or add sticky notes at the same time. This feature is excellent for visual learners and creative sessions where ideas need to be sketched out or organized visually. You can use simple drawing tools, add text, or insert shapes to express your ideas. The live stream option allows meeting hosts to broadcast their Zoom session to perform like Facebook Live or YouTube. As a participant, you typically won't need to worry about this feature, but it's good to know that some meetings might be streamed to a wider audience. Hosts will always inform participants when live streaming is active. Meeting Info provides you with the essential details about your current session. This includes the meeting ID, dial-in numbers for phone participants, and other technical information you might need. It's particularly useful if you need to help someone else join the meeting or if you want to save the meeting details for future reference. The Reset to Default option is a helpful troubleshoot tool that returns your Zoom toolbar to its original layout. If you accidentally moved buttons around or hidden important features, this option will restore everything to the standard configuration that you're familiar with. Finally, Drag to Reorder toolbar is a customization feature that allows you to rearrange the buttons in your Zoom toolbar according to your preferences. You can move frequently used features closer to the center or hide options you rarely use. However, as you're learning Zoom, I recommend keeping the default layout until you become more comfortable with the features. Remember, these additional features are in the More menu and are designed to enhance your Zoom experience, but they're optional. Focus on mastering the basic controls first, then gradually explore these advanced features as you become more confident with the platform. Congratulations! You've completed this guide to Zoom's menu bar and AI features. Now you know how to manage audio and video, use chat, share screens, record meetings, adjust views, engage with reactions and AI tools. Like any technology, Zoom gets easier with practice, so try features in test meetings or in casual calls. If you run into issues, Zoom's help, resources, tutorials, and support are always available. With patience and practice, you'll soon use Zoom confidently and with ease. Zoom Meeting Guide for Seniors. I'm Hewie Poplock.